Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. Of course, you know I'm always starting the vlogs off late. Hold on, let me see. Madison. Madison. Hi, good morning. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. What are you crying about? You ready? Say, I am beautiful. I am powerful. Maddie, I am loved. I love you, Maddie. Have a good day, okay? Guys, good morning. Maddie is taking a bottle. This is the Komotomo bottle. And she's taking it. Workout's done. Have to go home now and cook dinner. It's 5:30, so I'll see y'all when I get home. Hi, Jackson. So I'm back home. I just started today is week 1 of the keto. I figured I'm gonna do the keto diet instead of the 21-day fast because I just can't maintain the 21-day fast because I'm breastfeeding. So okay, buddy, I'm gonna start. I started the keto today, so I have a new channel that I'm gonna put all of that food, exercise, whatever I'm doing on that channel. It's called Get Fit with Jace. So if you guys want to check out what I'm doing, so all of that is going to be on that channel. All my weigh-ins, all grocery haul related to that, workouts, what my body's looking like after 5 kids, 5. So yeah, all of that is on there. And yeah, so you guys finished with your chores? Can you please get the chores done, because I have to cook dinner. And I did 25 minutes today at the gym. And Maddie's still sleeping, I think. I haven't went to check on her, but she's still sleeping. So I'm gonna get dinner started, and then my husband has to go to work later. So what are you doing? Okay. Jojo, what are you doing? Trashing that. How was school? I forgot to ask you guys how was school today. How was school today?
We're talking about smoking.
Who?
Smoking. Miss Rosie came. It says it gets in our lungs.
Hello. Hi, Jackson.
I forgot something else too. That's what I learned.
So what are you boys working on right now?
Groceries.
Groceries? You putting groceries away?
We buy these.
That's trash. Someone left it there last night when they made snacks.
I think it was Destiny. Oh, anyways, it's finished.
Yeah, someone didn't put it in the trash.
I think it was...
Leave one of those out. I have to,
Eggs?
yeah, leave one of the eggs out. One container of eggs out. I have to, yeah, and when you finish, that bag right here is trash. It needs to go out. So, leave that there.
There's one more.
There's one more.
There's water.
Why is the thing on the floor? There's a mop on the floor in front of you. Could you please pick that up before you trip over it? Okay, just put it there and then put the eggs away.
You want me to put them at the bottom?
Yeah, you can put them at the bottom. It's not a problem. No, not there, honey. On the inside, on the bottom.
There's no space.
There's no space on the top?
Make space, Jordan. Yes, I did.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why is there a blanket on the floor? There's always something on the floor. Pick it up, Jack. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How was school?
Good.
Good. What did you learn today?
I did it.
Why do you have so many hats on your head? How many hats you have on?
Okay, armies.
A lot?
Yes.
So what did you learn today? You silly boy. What did you learn today?
Nothing.
Nothing? What did you do? What did you do in pre-K?
Wait.
Huh?
Wait.
Played? Okay. Hi, Maddie! She woke up?
She woke up before you even left.
I know, I only did 25 minutes and then I was like, I gotta go. Because I know Maddie's up.
Yeah. See, I woke up before you even left the house. Yeah, I was already up. Yeah.
Maddie, you want a revolution?
Yes, I was there before you even
Maddie! Madison!
before you even left. I see. Why you have so many hats on?
That's what I asked him.
You have 3 hats on.
I have
See, you
4
have 3
hats
hats
on.
on. Yes.
I have 4 hats on.
Yes. What's wrong? You're not moving your eyes now.
Look what I found, guys. It's
Look at
vanilla macadamia nut. Ooh, it was on sale today, so I got it.
Mommy, look at Maddie.
Hopefully it's nice. Can I help you?
Can I put the water? Can I start putting the water in?
Yes, you may stop putting the water in.
Mommy, what day is it?
What day is today?
Monday.
Today is, Ileana, you are going to be in charge of making sure all that stuff that's on the couch, because your father started laundry and he don't know what he's doing. So please to get whatever is yours off of theirs and whatever is Jackson's off of there, and the rest you put aside, and the rest of us will get what's on here that belongs to all right, do that for me real fast. Oh, what what did your sister do to you? Sweet pudding, what did she do? Maddie, what did she do to you? That was Jackson's summer hat. No, that's enough hat for the day. That's enough hat for the day. What are you doing? Yes.
Mommy.
My husband picked this up too. It's pecan praline. Praline.
What day is it?
Yeah.
What day is it?
I don't know. What day is it, Jackson?
Friday.
It's not Friday. It's actually Monday. There's a box on the floor. Could you get that, please? Hi, Heaven. Hi. My husband washed the carpet yesterday, so that's why this is here. Hi, Heaven. Come here, Heaven. Let's move this thing. Hi, Heaven. Hi. Hi, baby. Heaven. Hi. Heaven. Heaven. Like, leave me alone. Juju. Hi, Juju. Hi, Juju. This little culprit be ripping up stuff in the house. You can never see his eye. We were supposed to take him to the groomer today to get his hair cut, but we never took him. He needs to be groomed.
Wait. Put down.
The #1 French war.
Okay, now you have to say it. Now you gotta say it like out. When you say the ABC, you gotta say out.
Yeah, because you know which letter she has to focus on, right?
It's like there's like
You know which letter she has to focus on?
Turn that thing down.
He has to go like this. L-M-N-O-P. You gotta go long.
Yes.
Go. Ready, set, go.
We caught that on camera.
What is that?
Okay, ready? I sing it.
Why do you just roll around and
I
fly?
sing it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Ready? Go.
Oh.
No, this is G. This is H, I, J, K.
Open the door for me.
So K starts with K ends with this. Okay?
Even this leaf look like a
And this is where you have to go long and long and long and long and long, and then you pick right on long. Ready, set, and go.
Whoa.
No. This is L. Say L.
Oh, which one's your favorite picture of all? This is my favorite thing I ever did.
No, that's
just a.
wait,
Well,
is
this
it
picture-
A,
I'm
B,
just
C,
trying to put it in my
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Ready,
Because I
go.
did this. This should go in my binder.
No.
Juju, come here. Come here. Juju, just get
No,
off.
this is G. That's E.
I want to.
Wait, let me go. Ready, go. Ready? Ready, set,
What is he
and
doing
go.
then? He didn't start chewing at
Okay, guys, so dinner's done. I made fish. I made fish and
L.
kale and snow peas with some egg. The kids are doing their homework right now. My husband just went to his night job. He should be home later tonight, and yeah, he just went to his night job. So, and like I said, if you know where I live, don't be showing up here, because guess what? I got me a piece. I'm not afraid to use it when it comes to my children. So, anyways, that's that. And
Now say it with that one.
that's it. We're done for the day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the videos. I always end the video and don't do a call to action. I don't know, because I feel like people should take action, but not everyone is going to take action. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And to my regular sunshine, you know who you are. I will see you guys Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Bye.
You ever saw this video?